bureaucracy and the brainwashing of the government. Yeah, budget कितलं वरतं असं नको. We wouldn't want to comment on the budget as of now. That the major issue is the sanctity of the things what my senior colleagues have already discussed. So ताज्या खातीर जे कितें हावजान आतां सुरू जाला ती प्रथा सुरू जाल्या ताज्या अगेन्स्ट आमी आज वॉयस करता कित्याक फाल्यां कोणूय गव्हर्मेंट आसूं this can be used as another incident to target some MLA. This can be a similar way to create a sense of fear in a common man. जो कार्यकर्तो म्हजो आसूं आनी कोणाचो आसूं नॉन BJP कार्यकर्तो आसतलो ताका फाल्यां हाजेर एक कोणी सादो कार्यकर्तो कंप्लेन मारतलो आनी ताका भितर उडयतले आमदाराक करूंक शकता ताका केन्ना भितर उडयतले. So this whole thing which is happening, that is what I said, fanatism, things which are coming in the state can only spoil the secular fabric of the state. And ताज्या खातीर 10 जाण जे आज बरोबर रावल्या with one issue of a united opposition, कित्याक united opposition is required to take the issues at task what the government is failing. Unfortunately, dictatorial attitude of the present chief minister is not allowing him to think. कित्याक actually विचारूच बंद जाले आसतले ताले विचार करपाची सहनशक्ती आसची ना. As the chief minister of the state, it should have been his part, as the ruling with a full mandate, to try and settle this issue. बाबा चुकले आमी जाल्यार सुद्दां चूक मानपाक खंयच वायट ना. तांणी चूक केली मानून घेवपाची कित्याक ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट करून जालो. सो एक स्टॅम्प सदांच लायफान पडलो जी गरजूच नाशिल्ली आनी ती प्रथा फाल्यां खंयच्याय आमदाराचेर जावंक शकता. वीच दे हॅव बीन वोकल एट ए कार्यकर्ता लेवल इन अ स्मॉल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स वीच दे डीड येस्टरडे. सो इज अ थ्रेटनिंग कॉल टू ऑल द अदर MLAs सेईंग दॅट तुमी आमच्या काळात आमी तुमकां घर झिलीन उडयतात. ह्या आमदाराचेर जाल्यार सर्वसामान्य मनशाचेर कितें जावंक शकता हे कोण सांगूंक शकना. ताज्या खातीर सगळ्यांनी आपले जे विचार मांडल्या तातूंत वी हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर एडजमेंट्स आनी एडजमेंटाच्या हातूंतल्यान स्पीकर ऑल्सो वॉज नॉट एबल टू फायंड अ सोल्युशन. दीस शोज द एडमन्सी एंड एरोगन्स ऑफ द प्रेझेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर हू इज रनिंग थ्रू अ फेज ऑफ अ व्हेरी वीक लिडरशिप where neither can he control his people, neither does he have control on himself, because he is himself being controlled. From the way it has been addressed, the people of Goa are not fools. They have been understanding, they are reading between the lines, and that is allowing a lot of togetherness to come in. That is very important today, की त्या गोंयच्या लोकांक बरोबर रावन एक विशयाचेर जे गोंयकारांक जाय तो घेवप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. ताचे कशी लेजिस्लेटराच्यान आमचे 10 जाण आसा ते आमदार आनी भायर आज लोक. आज तुमकां लास्ट सकाळच्यान हांव तुमकां सांगता द टायप ऑफ पीपल from people who have called are people from opposition who were not like-minded, who had differences, came with only one objective ki Rohan कित्याक सारके करूना. We are with you. Whatever needs to be done, for Goa, let us work together.